Well, a successful project starts with good planning. Think of all the things that you need to do and prioritize by safety. Safety's number one. That's always number one on my list. Sometimes you need to do things in phases, and you always want to put good money. You don't want to put good money after bad. So you want to make sure that you're always moving forward and that you don't have to go backwards and rip up something that you've already invested in. So having a good plan of what should be tackled first. Let's say you want to remove walls. Well, let's get the walls taken care of before you do any flooring, things like that. Yes. So coming up with a plan, coming up with a budget, and again, like I said, safety, and knowing what you can and can't do. Because sometimes people have grand ideas, but is it really feasible, doable? Is it to code? Will the city allow you to? Are your setbacks, proper? So there's a lot of restrictions and stuff. So
does your panel allow it?
Yeah, your electric panel going to let you do it. So there's a lot of things to consider. And again, I think that's why it's important to have professional input.